Hello, welcome to markhavfx.com. This is Mark. And now something about which I'm very laser focused on, which is the Euro Swissy. Let's go to a monthly chart first. And let me tell you what I'm seeing. So we've broken this trend line going back to 2008 rather, substantially. And then we had a pullback and we found support exactly where it had to be, um, which was right now 4 months ago. Since then, we've had a couple of, let's say, positive sprouts of price going up. And especially if you look at the RSI, we broke this trend line going back to 2018. We're in positive territory. Um, RSI is at 42.67. I do expect to get more gains. Of course, targets here, right now they seem wild, but let's go to a weekly chart and then you'll see that it's actually not so wild. Um, so basically same setup here, the support where it had to be. A few weeks up, then a retest of the support where it had to be again, which is 107.20. Is it? Hang on. No, sorry. Support 106.13, 14, so to speak. We've been going up for the last 2-3 weeks, and now it's very important. This trend line here on a weekly basis, 3 touches, so the trend line is valid. If we break above this next week, then I don't think it's, a conservative target would be a 50% retrace of this down move, which is 112.75, which is 500 pips from here, and it could go fast. I don't know what the basic fundamentals are for the Swissy being, or starting to feel, and you will see that in another video with the dollar Swiss also, why the Swiss franc is feeling like it wants to, lose its how shall I say it, safe haven status. It could be that the SMB is involved, but I would think that would give bigger moves. But maybe we'll get that once we get above this trend line. So keep this in mind. First target 112.75 on a daily basis. Yeah, this is basically the same thing as the weekly chart with the trend line right over here. We touched it 2-3 weeks ago. We touched it again on Thursday. If you see the RSI signature, it's getting stronger and stronger. So I do expect us to break this, and then let's see how fast the acceleration to the upside is going to be. The 4-hour chart, you can see the whole downtrend within the confines of this fork, and we broke out of it. We retested kind of for a long time, and now we broke out of it again. So we're building momentum, so to speak. And then on the hourly, you got a very nice fork going on here. With the fib extensions, we got the 100, we got the 161.8, we got the 200. We're pulling back now. We're testing the lower parallel again, and the next move should be to the upside. And what I particularly love about this, the 200 and the 61.8 at 108.55 is the confluence of everything. So that gives me additional trust to say that we might be, going up for a longer term move towards 120 at least. Okay, thank you for listening and have a great day.